Too fit. Wore my non-breakable sandals because I don't have time for that. This is my groovy Zara dress. Not really feeling the earrings. I might have to change that. But yeah, ready for day 2. Fun new look. Some sunnies. I kept the earrings because, you know, might as well. It's a beautiful afternoon. Wow. Made it to the oldest operating bookstore in the world. It's kind of a cool fun fact there. So it is the end of night, I think 3. It's been a great trip so far. I found this cute little plaza that I know is famous. Just kind of shooting, kind of recapping the day. It's been really nice. Honestly, we just learned that this is a place that we have to come to again because I haven't done enough here.